36.
580.
The shock is 350 plus the VAT.
Shut up. After Monday.
So you don't mind if I bring the part in?
No.
Well,
you don't?
We don't normally do that, but in this case,
Yeah.
get yourself
Tuesday, any time you prefer?
Right, this is what they've sent to me in the post. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but you can see rust on every... Nah, it's absolutely ridiculous. So I have to return these two, and then 14 days after they receive it, or it might take up to 14 days for them to ship another one out. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I am so gassed. You know why? Yeah, you guessed it. It's currently 22 degrees right now, and it is hot in this country. Yes, I am feeling the summer vibes, but that is not the actual happiness. The shock absorbers that I ordered have actually arrived. They came about 2 days ago. I know I'm shouting, I'm in a convertible, everybody's hearing me. But what I'm gonna say is let's open up the box and see if they sent the right ones this time before I get too excited, okay? Another open box. There's no rust on it this time. Why can I not get brand new box, eh? Why? Why must everything be... Oh, this one looks very promising. Sealed. Okay, it's not sealed. It's been opened before. Yeah, boy. As you can see there, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, we got the right parts, baby. We got what we need. There's no rust. There's nothing crazy going on. It just looks the part. It looks like how it's supposed to look. But I need to have a double confirmation, so I'm gonna take it to the garage, get them to have a look at it, just to make sure that I don't need to buy additional parts that need to go on top, because then it will be like a waste of time, really, if they start working on it, and then I need some extra stuff. Okay, so we're gonna do that now and see what they say.
sorry.
Hiya. I bought the Z4 suspension, and I wanted to see if you can confirm it's the right one before I book it in. I've got two of them. So I didn't know if it needed more parts or it's direct, because I think everything else can be swapped on top, right?
It looks about right, but until we take it off, I wouldn't know exactly 100% it is the right one. But it looks about right, yeah.
Yeah, I did go by the part number, but yeah, okay. I just wanted to know for sure.
Yeah, it looks about right. Yeah,
so, and I don't need to buy all the other
No. Everything else, we just use the original ones anyway.
Okay, what I'll do, like I said to her, I'll remove as much as I can in the car, like for you to get access to the bolts.
We can do that, doesn't matter anyway.
Yeah?
It's fine, yeah, it's all good.
Because it's got a lot of lining in the back.
I know.
Yeah.
You gotta check the whole fucking car.
Yeah, cool. I'm doing both sides though, so I've got another one.
Good brand there as well.
Oh,
Nice. Good brand. Alright?
Cool. Alright, thank you.
No worries, welcome. Thank you, mate.
You want to book it in?
Yes, please, as soon as possible.
What's the rest?
I was told to not bother with a lining in the car, but I feel like I might as well. Trying to do as much as I can. It's just to save myself some money. Because if they're going to charge me £75 for doing this, I might as well do it myself. You know what I'm saying? Oh, here we go. Nice and easy. Got access to the screws now. You can get the suspension out. Look at it. So nice and easy access. Sorted. Not much going on there. Alright, cool. That didn't take long at all. And now the other side. Let's do it. We can get this one out as well. So this left side is a bit harder than I was anticipating. I think it needs me to remove quite a lot of stuff, which I'm almost tempted to not do it. Because it needs a lot of trim to be removed. Actually, maybe not. Let me try one more time. I think, let me show you what I'm trying to talk about, I'm saying here. So this is where I need to get to, this one right here. But to get this one off, I need to get this one. I mean, this one probably come off now because removing this one here and that one unlocks another back side of, yeah, you can see in the back end here, the cubby sort of coming off. But I need to remove more trims even to get to that. I need to remove this one here, which I should probably try. Let me give that a try first before I give up. That one's not a hard one. Just pull it. Some brute force and it comes out. And this one. Oh, that's okay. There is a tab here. Oh, I'm destroying this car. You bastard. There we go. All right, that's the storage one out. And this, I need it to move. Can this come out? Let's got a tab holding it. Didn't see that before. Alright, big progress. I've managed to take this top off. It was being held by a couple of clips there. So you pull them and they just slide out. I moved this a bit up to give me some access. So there's another tab here that I need to take out to then expose this guy. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know if there's anything else holding it down here. No, that looks good. Carry on. The boot is in pieces though, honestly. It's in absolute pieces. Victory is mine. Mission accomplished. We can actually get to where we gotta go now. There you go. See, got the bolts there. And no more excuses. Nice. All right, ready to take the car to the garage in a couple of days now. Let's go. That means I can't put the roof down for the next couple of days, which is not too bad because the weather ain't been the best anyway.
You've got a car there.
I've got a car there. Just fixing the suspension. Yeah, no. Such a ball ache to do as well. It's taking me, I want to say like 2 months, 3 months to get it sorted. Because they couldn't get parts for it, and I got the parts and they sent me like the rusted ones. So I had to send it back and then go somewhere else to buy another one. Yeah. How's your day been?
Oh yeah, not too bad, quite chill.
Yeah.
I was just driving down here, wondering how they manage to keep these ducks hanging around by here.
Oh man, every year they come out. Every single year the ducks come out.
You think they fly away and go somewhere else, would you, after a while?
Somebody said, yeah, they do migrate or something, and then they just come back. And yeah, they just stop all the cars from driving.
That's mad, isn't it?
Yeah, there's quite a lot of them.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck.
Have a wonderful day. Cheers, bye-bye. All right. Time to go see what the damage is, guys. It's gonna be, my guess, let me say 140, 150. Let's see what they say. Yes, we're back on the road, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. We're back, baby. We're back. So what I thought was gonna cost so much ended up not costing that much. You know, if you remember from one of my previous videos, the initial cost was 600 and something pounds. Absolutely ridiculous. And then they found out it was the wrong part. But by that time, I've already started looking for the parts myself. Absolutely crazy. I can feel the ride difference now. I can feel the suspension working. Oh my gosh. It's been so long that God knows how long it's been broken for. It might have been broken for a very, very long time and I didn't realize. But right now, I can feel the difference. It's night and day. Maybe when the spring broke a while ago, the suspension broke too, or the shock absorber I should say. Maybe that broke as well. But right now it feels different. It feels like a new car. Ooh, traffic. Alright. So yeah, let's talk about the costs right quick. So in the first one they quoted me, it was for one shock absorber for £600 for one side. But because it was a different, like the person that quoted it, they quoted it wrong, and they went back again and realized it was a different part, and they came back to me and said it was going to cost me I think it was 120 for the shock absorber for the part, and then the labor charge on top of that. But by the time I looked online, I've already seen places where I could get it from, so I got it online for two sides for £140, right? Thereabouts, about £144. Don't slam on the brake, lady. It's green, go. Flipping hell, man. Anyway, as I was saying, £140, 140 something pounds, let's say £150 for two shock absorbers, and the labor cost today has been a whopping £117. So it's not actually that bad, because what they said to me was going to be 3 hour labor, which would have been around £70 to £75 an hour, which would have been something ridiculous. We're talking about £200+. So I was pleasantly surprised when she said today that I'm only paying £117. So in all, we've repaired the suspension for what is that, like 200 and something pounds? Absolutely bargain. £250. That's the initial price I was thinking to start with anyway for the repairs. Something around that 200 mark. Is this guy gonna let me in? Or is it gonna be a don't? No, they're not gonna let me in. Alright, fine. We found our own way. If this lady pushes in. Oh, so you don't let me in but you get behind me. People, how do you drive like that? That's a nice 350Z in front of me here. My old dream car. I used to love this car. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, the car is back on the road. We got all the suspension. Life is good again. Alright. Thank you for watching this one. Hopefully that's been a bit of a lesson for somebody on how to do some things, maybe like disassembling the boot. So yeah, take it easy. Have a wonderful one. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And I gotta overtake all these suckers now.
Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a whip on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. Two left feet don't trip and dance. The girl